First up is a classic you've probably heard of, vitamin A. Think of this as the nutrient that helps your eyes adjust to the dark. You know, when you walk into a dimly lit room, that's vitamin A at work. It's also absolutely crucial for keeping the very surface of your eye, the cornea, clear and healthy.
Next, we've got a powerhouse duo, vitamins C and E. These guys are amazing antioxidants. Picture them as tiny security guards for your eye cells, protecting them from damage caused by things like UV light and even pollution. Super important stuff.
Now, this one is really cool. Lutein. It often works with its partner, zeaxanthin. These two act like your eye's own built-in sunglasses. They literally filter out harmful blue light from the sun and, yep, all our screens. They hang out right in the part of your retina that handles sharp central vision, so they're protecting you exactly where it matters most.
And last but not least, we have omega-3 fatty acids. Now, these aren't just for your brain. They are the fundamental building blocks for the cells in your retina. Think of them like the bricks and mortar that keep the whole structure of your eye strong and working correctly.
We're kicking things off with the brightest, most cheerful colors on the food spectrum, orange and yellow. When you see this vibrant palette, it's a huge clue that you're looking at foods that are just packed with nutrients like vitamin A and lutein.
And of course, we have to start with the poster child for eye health, carrots. That satisfying crunch, that brilliant orange color, it's not just an old wives' tale, folks. They are loaded with something called beta-carotene, which our body cleverly turns into that all-important vitamin A.
And here's a pro tip for you. Don't you dare skip the yolk. That rich golden center of an egg is a fantastic source of both lutein and vitamin A. And what's great is that it's in a form our bodies can absorb really easily. A true powerhouse for your eyes. All right, let's move from those bright yellows to the deep, vibrant greens. From now on, when you see these rich colors, I want you to think one word: protection. These leafy wonders are just absolutely loaded with some of our key cellular defenders. I mean, just take spinach. It is bursting with lutein, and it also gives you a fantastic dose of vitamins C and E. It's like a triple threat of protective goodness all wrapped up in one delicious package. From greens, let's jump over to the power of the rich, deep colors you find in so many incredible fruits. These beautiful hues, they're basically nature's way of shouting, "Hey, I'm full of antioxidants," especially our good friend vitamin C.
And just look at all the options here. Juicy oranges, vibrant strawberries, deep blue blueberries. They aren't just a sweet treat. They are an absolutely delicious way to load up on the vitamin C that helps shield your eye cells from damage.
You know, we can't build the complete picture without our final group, the power of healthy fats. This is where those essential omega-3s come into play, providing that critical structural foundation for your retinas we were talking about earlier.
So where do you get them? Well, the number one source is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna. Bringing these into your diet is one of the most direct ways you can support the actual physical structure and health of your eyes. It's as simple as these 3 steps. First, just look down at your plate. Aim to fill at least half of it with colorful plants, your greens, your oranges, your reds. Second, make sure you're adding a source of healthy fat. And third, the big goal, try to eat the rainbow. And that doesn't mean every single meal, but just over the course of the week. That's how you make sure you're getting that whole wide spectrum of protective nutrients.
So here's the bottom line. Supporting your vision doesn't have to be some complicated diet or a bunch of restrictions. It really can be as simple and as truly enjoyable as choosing your next colorful, beautiful meal. And that leaves us with one final thought to take with you. As you go about your day, just ask yourself this one simple question. What new color will you add to your plate today?